Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look into an upcoming play-to-earn metaverse game called Myst on Binance Smart Chain. Myst is bringing together a metaverse of NFT, DeFi and an amazing game full of action RPG. At the center is the Myst token, which is the main currency of the ecosystem. Now let's take a look at how this game plays out. I will show you a small teaser of this game to make you understand the level the game is developing on. Let's start the video. So I have shown you the teaser of this game. Now let's take a look at the white paper to understand the mechanics of this game. So looking at this white paper, let me first show you how the gameplay will be working once the game is released. So this game is basically, as I have explained, an action RPG. So this will have various quest systems, and furthermore there will be an open world game. So quests, exploring, developing character will be heavily focused upon in this game. Now let me show you some character classes in this game that will be there once the game releases. So these are the 5 playable classes, and each class will have its own unique abilities, strengths and weakness. The classes are Crusader, Enchanter, Ranger, Shifter and Witch Hunter. So as you see, this game will also be focusing on player versus player, and this game will pit various players against one another for the ultimate glory. So as seen over here, these classes, so these classes will also have a unique backstory attached to them. So this is the story. I will put the link down below, so you can go through all these backstories and you can immerse yourself in this amazing action RPG open world. Now these characters will be able to be completely decked by the player, and these inventories and swords, these pets will act as NFTs in this game. So let me show you over here. So these are the NFTs which will be in the game, and these NFTs can be used by the player for the classes that I have shown, as well as these NFTs can be traded here on this marketplace. So as you can already see, this marketplace is already live and the players are already started exchanging and selling these NFTs on the marketplace. So this is a great way to start earning from this game as well. So there are several ways to earn this Myst token, and I will tell you these methods. So once you start playing this game, you will be able to kill monsters, complete quests and all those stuffs. So you will be able to acquire various NFTs. You will be able to deck out your character using those NFTs, and whichever NFT you would want to sell on this marketplace, you can go out and sell those and start earning Mist tokens. So once you have earned Mist tokens, this website will also have farming available here. So once farming starts, you will be able to farm your Mist tokens and you will be able to generate a passive income on that position. Also, let's take a look at the tokenomics, and I would want to highlight something to you. So this is the roadmap, and just last month they have started the closed demo for the game, and right now the demo at Q4 is already under progress. Once this completes, in Q1 they would start their development, and in Q22, most probably by Q2, the game will go live. And here it is written, expected date will depend on the closed demo performance. So looking at the tokenomics, the listing price was 0.0083, and as you can see, the total supply is over here. Something which I want to highlight over here, the team allocation is very less. It is only at 4.5%, but which I really like is the DEX liquidity, the marketing allocation, and staking and farming out and in-game. So these are the things which is making me bullish for Mist. Also, there is an in-game drop, so once the player starts going for quests and all, so you'll be able to gain Mist tokens. So these are the things which make Mist a very, very promising upcoming game, because in most of the games which I have seen till now, the allocation for teams and partners is so much higher that the normal player who tries to enjoy the game is not able to do so because of a constant selling pressure from the team and the partners. But over here, as you can see, the main focus has been given to marketing, staking and in-game drop, which is very good for the players. Also, if I would like to show you that some of the partners are for this game, and as you can see, these are all very well-known names in crypto space, and all these are the backers of Mist, which is quite good. And also, let's take a quick look at the Mist chart. So this is the chart, and I was doing some technical analysis on it, and as you can see, the price has recently bounced very good from 0.618 Fibonacci level, and the confirmed support right now is 0.11, and right now the price is at a very good place. And with all the metaverse tokens that are bouncing right now, this places Mist at a very opportunistic time to gain some, because as you can see, the all-time high right now is around 0.28 cents, and right now it is at 0.12. So all-time high is not that far enough. And as I would like to highlight over here, the market cap for Mist is only at a $6.8 million, so which is very, very low for such a promising game. This is completely nuts, because I at least expected the market cap to be above 100 million, but here it is just at around 6 million. So the upwards momentum for this game is quite high, and I personally think that the price will shoot up once the game is closer to its launch. So this is not a financial advice, guys. I would want every one of you to research in their own time, and after that invest in this game, which I have done so. And right now you can buy on PancakeSwap, and also you will be able to buy on Gate and LB Bank, but I am personally buying Mist on PancakeSwap, so I will put the link down below, and this is the website, pancakeswap.finance. Do not click on any other link, because all the other links will be a phishing link or a scam link. If you click on that, you have a good chance of losing your crypto. I will put this link down below. Make sure to click this link, or if you can type this exact link from here word by word, you can do so. So guys, this brings an end to today's video on Mist. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you liked it, do share your comments down below. Share this video, subscribe for more, and like this video. Till then, stay safe.